Now, here's your Storm Tracker weather forecast with meteorologist Mike Hurd.
Same upper level trough we were looking at yesterday, still entrenched across the region today, and a lot of cool air being pulled into it. And that's kept our temperatures well below average for this time of the year. So we got an upper level low sitting here over northern Nevada, and that's going to draw up some of this monsoonal moisture in the next 24 hours, and this will bring a fairly decent push of some showers and thunderstorms across the southern end of Montana again tomorrow afternoon and evening. So as you track this hour by hour, upper level low again slowly inching its way up into central Idaho overnight tomorrow morning. Then watch in the afternoon, we get this big explosion of showers and thunderstorms, but again it's just clipping a small part of southwestern Montana, southern end of the state, but more aggressive showers and storms likely for Yellowstone National Park. But this continues to bring slightly cooler temperatures. Now the contrast will be on Thursday. We get a building high pressure ridge, not much in the way of moisture ahead of the next cold front, and that's going to warm temperatures up, but it's also possibly going to bring back increasing surface winds. So you're going to get hit with lower humidity, warmer temperatures, and wind. That's likely to increase fire danger to wrap up the work week. But once we get behind this next cold front, as we head into the weekend, another cool down is coming with a chance for some showers in the first half of next week. Pretty solid cloud deck over Butte this afternoon, 55 degrees. That's it for daytime high. That's unseasonably cool. We should be in the upper 70s to low 80s. 46 pretty close to normal on that morning low. Good visibility, steady barometer, great air quality. That's the trade-off. And we only picked up 1/100th of an inch of rain since midnight. But look at the temperature differences. We're in the 50s here across the southern end of the state, with one glaring exception. West Yellowstone is the warm spot at 72 degrees. Should be the other way around. 80 in Missoula, 60s and 70s across the northern tier, and 70s off towards the eastern half of Montana. Lots of cloud cover out there right now, likely to stay there through the early evening hours. Could clear partially by tomorrow morning, but dipping into the 30s and 40s. So another cool start to the day for your Wednesday, but not much moisture to work with there. Now tomorrow, a sunny start, but a cloudy finish, and we bring back a slight chance for some isolated rumbles. They won't be all day and it won't be widespread. They'll be very hit and miss across the area, but just plan on running indoors if you see some of those storm clouds building late in the afternoon. I've got 70s and lower 80s in there, and it could be a touch on the breezy side around some of those building thunderstorms tomorrow afternoon. Moving south, we're down to about freezing for West Yellowstone, but lower to mid 40s for everyone else under partly cloudy skies. And tomorrow, partly cloudy first thing, and then afternoon storm clouds trying to build. And again, that's going to lead to some rumbles late day. Lots of 70s, outside chance of a low 80 in there for tomorrow afternoon. Now, as you look at the extended forecast, again, we try and get back up into the upper 70s and lower 80s by Thursday, Friday. Winds will be increasing on Friday because of the next cold front moving in, and then we start to slip back into the mid 70s and then eventually into the 60s with the next weather maker Monday, Tuesday. That brings back another chance for some showers, but another unseasonably cool pattern setting up early next week. Lows will be a variety of 30s and 40s. For Anaconda, York Center forecast only a 20% chance for a stray pop-up thunderstorm tomorrow afternoon, but upper 70s possible on Thursday, and then we slip into the low 70s over the weekend, then the very, very low 60s Monday and Tuesday with mostly cloudy skies and some scattered showers and maybe some rumbles in there on Monday and into Tuesday with 30s and 40s at night. And Dillon, a 30% chance for some scattered thunderstorms tomorrow afternoon, but low 80s are likely on your Thursday, Friday, and then we cool into the 60s and 70s, but the chance for rain next week a little on the lower side for you folks, but definitely a cooler weather pattern about this time next week, lows in the 40s.
I got to switch off the heater and turn on the AC again.
Which is kind of bizarre for the latter half of August. That should be the back half of September, right?
Exactly.
Yeah.
Thanks, Mike. All right, Nick Petrotoni's in with sports, and we're focusing once again on high school football.
It's our 7th preview of a high school team. We're going to take a look at the Jefferson Panthers coming up.